What if I told you your money isn't really yours? It's more like monopoly money, but the banker can print more whenever they want. We use money every single day to buy coffee, pay rent, or order tacos at 1 a.m. But have you ever stopped to ask, what is money really? Why does a piece of paper or a number in an app have value? Why can some people create more of it out of thin air? In this video, we'll break it all down with stick figures. Let's finally answer, how does money really work? Imagine you're stranded on an island with 10 people. There's no money, just coconuts, fish, and boredom. You trade. I'll give you 2 fish for 1 coconut. But what if you don't want fish right now? Or the fish guy wants shoes? That's where money comes in. Money is a tool to make trade easier. Instead of bartering, you use something everyone agrees has value. It could be shells, gold, beads, or paper with a president's face. Money needs 3 things to work: store of value, keeps its worth over time; medium of exchange, people accept it; and unit of account, helps measure stuff. If it fails any of those, it's not great money. Long ago, people used gold and silver. Heavy, shiny, real. Then came banks. Leave your gold with us, we'll give you this paper receipt. This paper represented gold. People trusted it because it meant something. But then government said, what if we don't need gold at all? Let's just say this paper has value. Boom, fiat money was born. Fiat means let it be so. So dollars are worth something just because the government says so. And we all play along. Okay, so who actually creates money? The answer, the central bank. In the US, that's the Federal Reserve. They don't print it, they type it into a computer. Literally. Let's add $1 trillion. And just like that, new money exists. Most of it isn't even printed, it's digital. But wait, doesn't more money make us richer? Not exactly. If you have 1 pizza and 10 people, cutting it into 20 slices doesn't make more pizza. More money plus same amount of stuff equals higher prices. That's inflation. Here's the plot twist. Your bank also creates money. You deposit $1,000. The bank keeps a small part, say $100, then loans out the rest, $900, to someone else. That person spends the $900, it lands in another bank, which lends out $810, and the cycle continues. This is fractional reserve banking. Your $1,000 turns into several thousand circulating in the system. Magic? Sort of, but it's legal. The catch is if everyone wants their money back at once, there's not enough. That's a bank run. This one's wild. Most money is made as debt. When you borrow from a bank, they don't give you existing money. They create it in your account. Poof, new money. But now you owe them with interest. So for every dollar created, there's a dollar of debt, which means the system requires constant borrowing to survive. It's like riding a bike. If we stop pedaling, borrowing, the system falls over.